Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore how to use tags and how to monetize your directory. So yeah, let's get started. First, tags are flexible labels you can assign to listings for organization and filtering. The tags page shows all your tags with the tag name and usage count. In this example, we have, for example, breakfast, group dine-in, modern, traditional, and so on, each showing the number of listings they are assigned to. Each tag has three options: edit tag to rename it, delete tag to remove it, and manage to assign listings to this tag. To create a new tag, click add new tag, enter the tag name in the form. For this example that we are working on, use names like vegetarians friendly, romantic, maybe friendly, family friendly, and so on. Click add tag to create it or cancel to close. And tags are different from categories or custom fields. You can use them for flexible attributes like special features or words, or editorial picks such as hidden gem or local favorites, or like the ones we just picked for our restaurant directory. Once created, assign tags to listings and users can filter by them to find what they are looking for. Moving now to the monetization section, where we will cover how to integrate payments and create new plans. Payment settings let you connect payment processors so your directory can accept payments for subscriptions, featured listings, or other premium services. If you haven't connected any payment methods yet, you will see two main options. We have Stripe Connect and PayPal Express. You can connect one or both processors depending on your needs. Stripe is great for seamless credit card processing, while PayPal offers familiarity for users who prefer it. Once connected, your directory can accept payments for premium features, and the funds go directly to your connected account. In this part, we'll go over how to configure and manage subscription plans in DirectoryEasy. Subscription plans let you create paid tiers for your directory with different features and pricing. First, toggle enable subscription plans to turn on subscriptions for your directory. Without this enabled, all plans remain inactive. Let's start with creating a new plan. Begin by giving your plan a clear name, such as basic, premium, or professional. This helps users easily understand the difference between your tiers. Next, choose the plan type. You can either select a one-time payment, which gives users lifetime access after a single payment, or a recurring subscription for ongoing billing like monthly or yearly payments. In the description field, write a short summary explaining what this plan includes, mention its main features, benefits, and any limitations. After that, set the price and select the currency. DirectoryEasy supports many currencies including USD, Euro, GBP, and so on. So pick the one that fits your target market, and by the way, if you can't find your preferred currency, just let us know and we'll be happy to add it for you. If you want to make a plan stand out, toggle the featured plan option. This highlights it as a recommended or most popular choice. After that, list all the features included in this plan. For example, you can offer ad spots for a specific number of days, featured placement, of course, or maybe priority support, and so on. Once everything looks good, click Add Plan to create a new subscription tier. If you are editing an existing one, click Save Changes to update it. And that's it. After your plans are set, they will automatically appear as options when users submit a new listing. That's it for this video. I hope this helped you understand how to set up and manage your directory more effectively. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out DirectoryEasy for more tutorials and updates. See you in the next one. Bye bye.